Welcome to the Azure OpenAI Masterclass, a program that delivers solutions to help organizations leverage artificial intelligence to improve processes and transform business operations. The AI Masterclass progresses through several phases, including a readiness evaluation, a workshop to identify a use case for development of a proof of concept, testing of the proof of concept and, pending results, further development into a pilot program. Today, we'll be looking at a solution developed for an Australian government agency. The government agency gets up to 2,000 citizen requests each month through an application where citizens submit pictures of issues they want resolved. Each of these submissions requires over 6 minutes of manual effort, the equivalent of more than 3 weeks each month, to process, which results in slow response times, backlogs, and low citizen satisfaction. Through the OpenAI Masterclass, a proof of concept was developed using computer vision to analyze the images, categorize them, verify that they are within the agency's jurisdiction, and prioritize and route requests to the proper area of responsibility. This proof of concept was delivered in just 6 weeks and presents a significant opportunity to land and expand this use of Azure OpenAI to more than 500 additional agencies across Australia. Discussions with several of those agencies are already underway. Now, let's take a look at the proof of concept. We begin by logging into the secure portal, which is the central hub for managing the image analysis proof of concept. In this portal, we can view all the citizen-submitted images and the results of the analysis of those images, where the AI has extracted crucial image elements and metadata to conduct a thorough analysis. If we click on a sample image, we can see that this image appears to include what looks like boxes and some deconstructed furniture on the side of the road. Now let's take a look at the AI analysis by clicking on the View button. Here, you'll find all the details generated by the computer vision analysis. The AI intelligent agent has identified a group of boxes on the side of a road as the main caption and has secondary and individual image elements identified in the dense captions section. The bot uses built-in responsible AI principles to prevent unsafe or inappropriate images being presented. You can see that this image has been deemed safe. The bot suggests an incident type for each image. Dumped rubbish, in this case. If this suggestion were off target, an agency employee, the human in the loop, could edit the incident type. It also has built-in geolocation validation capabilities. It uses incident metadata to determine the incident coordinates and confirms that submitted incidents lie within the agency's jurisdiction. Now, let's navigate to the admin panel, which unlocks additional features for monitoring and managing the intelligent agent's performance. Here we can see the suggested and edited category and whether the incident lies within the agency's jurisdiction. Each time a suggestion is edited, the AI incorporates that feedback into its algorithms to continuously improve future analysis and suggestions, reducing the human intervention required over time. We can also see the exact location of each incident, the tokens used and the cost of analyzing each image which is associated with the use of those tokens. That is the basic functionality of the proof of concept developed for the local government agency using computer vision to analyze citizen-reported incidents. Here you can see the architecture diagram for the solution. In this case, application data resides in AWS and flows into Azure and OpenAI using a variety of services and APIs. The AI Masterclass can ingest data from any source or cloud platform into Azure and OpenAI. Sources can include Azure, AWS, Google Cloud, apps, email, text, WhatsApp, and more. A significant portion of agencies throughout Australia use the same application and process for incident reporting, and many are already inquiring about the OpenAI Masterclass solution. With an identical use case, these won't require a new proof of concept and they can move quickly to pilot program. That is a high-level view of how the Azure OpenAI proof of concept operates. The proof of concept can be implemented in a matter of weeks to quickly showcase the capabilities and generate excitement about the use of AI. By participating in the OpenAI Masterclass, customers can quickly see the power of a solution that leverages artificial intelligence, and make informed decisions about moving to a pilot and full production, speeding adoption of OpenAI, and transforming their business. Contact a Microsoft seller to discuss your eligibility for this exciting program in more detail.